Ah, well, that's the
Aye, there you go, mate.
Going on YouTube.
Just need to hold that. Hutchie! Get it up there!
Fuck are you doing?
YouTube! Castlebank Park, the 16th of June 2010.
Hutchie putting up bird box.
4:14 in the Big Brother house. Hutchie's still stuck up the tree.
You can't really see his face.
Not big enough.
Well, that's that. Just come down.
No, there's a fucking 4-inch screws in there.
Diffie's now making his way over.
Wait a minute.
I'll see what Diffie's got.
If you
Man,
look,
turn the camera, man. Come on.
I'm not coming down without the bloody hanging up now.
You stay there, I think.
Look at nails. Bent nails.
Get fucking 4-inch nails.
Nah, they're too. They're.
Give me a hammer and 4-inch nails.
Hammer.
You get a hammer?
4-inch nails.
I've got a hammer.
Hammer.
Right, the nails are coming up.
And now we're panning back up to your Hutchie, who's still up the tree.
Right, how do you put this in reverse? What reverse?
Aye.
Back thing will just pull it in. No, ain't nothing.
Oh, it is.
Aye, shake that a good bit. See if it's. Just shake it, see if it.
Shake it, aye. You're pooing it there and it seems
Oh,
alright.
there it is. It's up. Oh, that, but.
Can we put another screw into the other side?
Oh, it's a wee off the back. It needs some.
Can you not just hammer a nail in? Or put
Chuck's making his
another
way with a hammer. I
square
would like that in film, please.
How the hell am I supposed to hammer a nail in, actually?
And Chuck, you're on camera, man.
Try that again, Hutch.
What?
How you meant to bet?
Hammer a nail in?
Hutch.
Sorry, I've got the balance.
He is a hammer.
There's that big nail. Oh, pick that one at him.
Yeah, that'll get one in the other side, right?
Chuck is passing the nails. He's passing the hammer.
Not big enough for this other side. You just try to be like one of those wildlife dudes.
Aye.
Can we not just...
Oh, is the beast away, aye?
Can we do... You've got to just tie it.
Exactly. Here in the forest, it's all beginning to come to life.
Graham Ears is alive and well.
Hutch is now going to try and chip it in.
Just watch, gets up.
Oh, there we go. It's just going in, no bother. Come on, Hutch, go on, mate.
I need fucking bigger. Suck it, Paul.
Don't be aggressive, man. That's
Is
it.
it quite sturdy? Like sturdy enough?
Aye, yes.
The nails on the big enough.
Nah,
I've got it nice.
It looks sturdy,
No.
guys.
It's not like they're going to be weighing fucking 2 stone, is it? They're fucking away
Sweet
like
hearts.
fucking an ounce.
Look at old lads, we'll be up there a sec.
A fucking feather would fucking knock it
Oh,
out.
stop
No.
swearing, Gav.
Hell, you're not the one sitting on my bloody...
That's just classic TV. Aye, that's it. Wind them up, Pen. Wind them up.
Right.
Super glue.
Hutch, put a nail through that bit at the back. Another one.
That'll just split the wood because it's no...
It looks sturdy to me.
If the wife's
But
happy.
it is only wee birds that's going in it and you're putting it about there.
No, I need to try and do something there. I'm not coming up here and the thing's going to fall after the slightly bit of
Right,
wind.
what do you need?
I need a drill bit and a 6-inch nail.
Right, well, I've got a drill bit, but we've not got a 6-inch nail.
We've not got 6-inch nails.
Well, I'm not climbing down the hill out of that cubby hole myself and then climbing back up.
Got the cubby hole, Ham?
Have you got 6-inch nails in the cubby hole?
Debatable.
Well, you're telling me... No, right, this is the biggest I could find.
Right, hang on a second.
Oh no, there's another one. This is
Oh,
a big one.
that's...
What?
Oh.
Alright, don't worry about it.
As long as it's no meat.
Why can that not be something tasty for money? Do you know what I mean?
I think
Those are
that's
the same,
secure
innit?
enough. I mean, it's only for a wee bird. It's not like it's a dance hall or anything up there.
Did you say it was a dance hall?
Yeah.
Aye, I can see it.
Aye, but facing up the way.
Aye, I know it should have
Aye.
been facing this way.
At least they're not looking down in society.
That's alright, don't worry about it facing up the way. As long as it's up.
Right, hang on, right. Try and get one here.
That's that hutch. You batter it in, son. I'm just looking forward to the bit where it comes down. That's going to be the best bit.
I'm just fucking doing me a bother,
After that's been straight on YouTube.
That's a bit Ben Hutch, is it no?
It wasn't me that bent it.
Have you done this before, mate? I'm not being funny or nothing.
No, but he's been on YouTube before.
Oh, he's going to be it again. There we go, Hutch. That's the game.
That's no coming down.
No, that's solid as a rock. Get a wee shake now, Hutch.
That's
Get a wee
All
shake.
right.
no
That's
for
enough.
moving.
Right, just get yourself done now.
Oh, that's the serious question. Right, I'm just going to throw that. What's yourself?
The hammer. You come down the ladders or what?
Well,
I've got the ladders. I've got them.
Wait till I hug these ladders.
Right, there, I need you then. Just saying, just stand down my shoulder. Right, just straight, stand on my shoulder.
You want the ladder?
Right,
Right, Paul, put that bloody camera down.
Right, I'm a here.
I need to be down there. Right, hang on, I got you some grip here. Right, alright. Oh no, I'm stuck between branches here. Hey, I'll let you get back up.
Wait, that like it.
Right, that's it.
Wait, watch.
Oh,
wait,
watch.
That's it.
I'm done.
Right, Chuck, you watch yourself.
I'm done.
Yo!
There, Hutch. You're a star, mate.
Fucking acrobat.
You're a star.
There you go.